We have Royce Schulte Dale Vinstad from CADARO. I'm going to make sure I get this right. Royce, Amarillo, Dale, Humboldt, Iowa. Hey, I want to get to know you. I want to come hang out in Humboldt too, right after my Veracity, Italy trip. Royce, you would be a NASCAR driver behind the wheel of a Chevy. Dale would be a bullpen catcher for anybody but the Chicago White Sox. That's a little bit of a shout out. Royce gives Dale credit, and Dale gives Gary Sonnegroth credit for introducing them to GEAPS. Let's welcome Royce and Dale to the stage.
Thanks, Steve. Maybe reconsider. So NASCAR, after watching Sandy today on the drums, I think that should be a professional sport, and I'm going to sign up because he did a great job. This is CADARO's first GEAPS, and we want to thank you for the opportunity to present today and share about our new products and our opportunities. Also want to thank Dale from Landis also joining. CADARO manufactures and services supports our patented flow sensor technology for accurately measuring both flow rates and actual weights in line and creating opportunities for automation. So if you look at these pictures, this is an example of our Veracity and Integral products. The Veracity are for vertical installations. We can measure up to about 5,000 pounds per minute or 5,000 bushels per hour. The Integral units are for incline installations. We can measure all the way up to about 50,000 pounds per minute or 50,000 bushels per hour. We're launching a new subscription or a new equipment subscription this week during GEAPS. And really the goal here is to provide an opportunity to realize the ROI in the first year. And so we'll have value calculators at our booth 2443. And if you want to see one of our products in action, we actually have holograph fans that'll help demonstrate it. So our customers to date have reported some of the benefits of our products are increasing the overall transparency of their operation for both flow rates and actual weights. They're improving their operational efficiency, especially when they're optimizing their loading efficiency, where they're trying to get away from cycling trucks, from overloading and underloading. They're using it for inventory confirmation and management, product transfer, blending, batching, data integration, and overall increased productivity. Ultimately, because now you can measure and you can measure accurately, you can automate, and we believe this is an opportunity to address labor challenges and increase the overall operational efficiency. So I want to turn it over to Dale just to give an example of how they're using our technology.
Thanks, Royce. Once again, Dale Vinson with Landis. We started this journey before Royce and his group owned the product. We were approached by a couple professors from Iowa State University who were developing this application on campus there. They were trying to get up to 20,000 bushels an hour. We were an early adopter of the technology. It was very clunky in what was going on and stuff, and I was about ready to give up on it when Royce and his team happened to purchase the technology from those gentlemen. Royce and his crew came in, spent a lot of time with me, and that's how I ended up on stage helping them with this presentation, is they made it so that the implementation was smooth. It was very cumbersome before, it was inaccurate, it was unrepeatable. They updated some of the programs behind it and stuff. So the way we're utilizing it, go forward. This is our Mitchellville facility. It was a facility that we built 2 years ago. We implemented it on both of the load-out tanks there. And what it does is allows us to load our semis within 1% of the target weight. So that we reduce our overloads and it reduces the amount of times we got to unload off semis, maximizing our freight into our facilities. If you guys have any questions for me while I'm on the show floor, go ahead and stop me. Stop by Royce's booth, 2443, and he can get you a hold of me if nothing else, if you have any further questions for me. Thank you.
Thanks, Royce.